Okay, welcome to the third video in this series, and that is how to verify your account. And that is very simple. All you need to do is just log in back, or go back to your account. We are still on our account um after we have copied our ID and done the necessary thing. So the next thing when you want to verify is just come back to your profile image here. As you can see where my cursor is, just click on this. When you click on this, click on profile. When you click on profile, and then so immediately you click on profile, we want to do verification. Among other things you are verifying is your email verification. So make sure that you do your email verification. An email will have been sent to the email that you use for the registration. All you need to do is that just log into your email address, click on the link sent to you from pocket option. When you click on it, then you click on it to verify the link. So when you click on it to verify the link, then the next thing is you will be verified. Just a moment. If let's see how it is. It is. So make sure you verify your email. In case you did not receive the verify link in your email, you can click on resend again. So while you are here to verify your email, among other things you need to do in verification is verify your email address, and after you are done with that, then verify your name. Use your proper name, your full name here when you are doing this, and then first name and last name. Your last name is your surname, and your first name is your own name. So concerning this account now, I'm setting it up. I'll just write a name. Let me just write a name for someone, and then I will I will mark this, and then I will click on this and see, and then click on this also empty, and then type attention, and then tick it. So now that is the identity info. So that is done. Email remain email now, and then phone number, you can enter your phone number. Make sure you put your phone number there. I will just put a number. Let me put a number for two, and then and also date of birth. You can say is all this one they are required. Like phone number is not required, but you can put it, and the date of birth is very required. So I'll put a date of birth here. So I'll just put something here. That is 7 5 17. Okay, so and then go. And now we are done with the first section. So the next thing we move. So while we are waiting for that one to be updated, and then we move to the next one. Okay, now the date of birth is changed. So now the next thing, identity status. Can you see now you have to verify that one also. Start the verification. Please select the country of residence which is indicated in your ID card. Can you see now? So you can just your country. So select Nigeria. Okay, and then I think confirm. So click on confirm. So confirm. So it's loading confirm, and then okay. I think let us verify. Let's get you verified. Before you start, prepare your identity document and make sure it is valid. We are we also require to agree to the processing of your personal data. So you can say, okay, I am a resident or living in so you can say if you are not living in, so just select others and then agree to continue. That is the verification process. So just it's loading, just a moment please. Okay, so the country selected and says choose your ID card. You can select your ID card. So you can select your ID card. So you can select ID card and then the ID card you are using. So choose your document type. So you see ID card, you see passport, you see resident permit or um driving license. So I think if you are using voters card, uh well, let's say voters card, NIMC, that is national ID card, and also probably driving yes, voters card, NIMC card, and any other ID card, probably the one in your working place, you select ID card. But if you have passport, international passport or residence permit or driving license, you select it. So but I think by all means you should the simple things that will be made easier that I believe everybody should have. You should have either national ID card or voters card. So if you don't have any, either you have international passport or you have a driving license, at least as in Nigeria, you must have any of the three ID card, which is national ID card or voters card or international passport or driver license, anyone you are using. So you select it. So when you select it, and what you need that you take photo of your ID card, the photo should be bright and clear. All corner of the document should be visible. Do you see now? So and then so you must can you see it must be something like this. So there's not that half part, so everything should clear. So after that you can go if you are on mobile it will not bring this, but because I'm on desktop, that is why it's bringing this. So the next is just go and then next. So I'm on desktop. No, because I'm on desktop, that is why it's asking this question. So waiting for camera. So it's either if you are on desktop, you are going to upload it manually or you go on phone. You know, don't forget that because we are on desktop, that's why it's bringing this option. If you are on a mobile, it will not bring all this question. You will do it. It will be everything you know on your mobile phone. It will not be asking you. So if you are using more desktop, well, your picture, your ID card, as in the photo of your ID card must have been uploaded on your desktop, so on your laptop, and then you upload it manually. Do you get it now? So and then if you are on phone, it will not ask all this. So let's see if we go on phone, continue verification on your phone. Can you see now? Say continue verification on your phone. All you need to do copy the link to your browser. Can you see now? So that is that. So that is about that. So but if I think what I can see is that since I'm on a desktop, what I need to do is just to get the image, the photo of the passport. I need to get it available on my phone, on my laptop, upload it and push it forward. Do you get it now? So assuming it is this one, all I need to do is just come here and then next. So when you click on next, then you now upload manually. So manual upload, then you see ID card. So that is it. And then the next thing is look for the image. So I will just look for the image. Can you see? Upload the front of your document and upload the back of your document. So you must have snapped the back and the front of your ID card, either voters card or NIMC, whichever one you are using, you must have snapped it and then you upload it one by one. So just click on this. When you click on this, it will take you to where you pick the image from. Wherever the image is, you can pick it from there. So let's assume that it is here or wherever it is. So you have to pick it. You pick it, and then let's say this is the image. You know, so I'm looking for an image. Okay, so let's pick this one. Okay, I think you can see now. So we select it and you open it. So okay, so I think that is that. And then that is the back of the card also must be uploaded. So I think see it here. It is not the back. It is not the back. So what you need to do, just fill in all the necessary things. So the back of the ID card is required. So and I don't think that I have it here. Okay, so after we have entered the front card, this is the front of the voters card. So voters card is good, NIM's card is good also, or your office card that carries your name and every of your detail. And then I will upload the back also. The back also, I think the back is here. I think, so okay, so the front, the back. So the two will be uploaded, and so after I've uploaded it, the next is click on next. So we wait for it to take it up. So okay, and then I think this one will be done on the phone. You can take a selfie, face the camera, ensure your face is within the sensor. So all this can be done with your mobile phone. So you can continue with that one on the on your mobile phone. So that is I think that is what we cannot do that on this. If it is on phone, you can follow, just follow and do the selfie of yourself. That is your front camera must be on, and then you can be able to do that. So that has to do with identity status, as you can see it. So at this point now, because I'm on mobile, I'm on my PC, I will not be able to do the selfie of this. And then if I'm on for mobile on my on laptop also, I can do it if I have a camcorder. And because I'm doing this registration, it's not my own account, so but I'm only showing you the process that you take. So it's not my own account, I have my own personal account, so it will be conflicting each other using my picture here. So your own, you have to do your selfie and then you pick it. And then if you are ready, all you just need to do is just click on I'm ready and you continue. But if that is if you are using a laptop and it has camcorder, all you just need to click on I am ready, and then it pick your picture. For example, now let me see, this system have a camcorder and it will pick my picture, but my picture will be contradicting what is on there. So that's why I think the camera access is necessary to perform this check. Please follow the thing. So click on the icon in address bar. So okay, I think this is okay. Okay, try again. So let's see. But all this because I'm on laptop. If your own will be done on phone and it will be very simple and faster. But I don't know what is wrong. So while we are this, so continue on the phone. So you copy the link and so because I'm on laptop, that is why all this. If not on phone, we will do your verification on phone. There is no delay. There's no any delay. So just continue like that. So I think that's all. Think that is all you can say about the identification. So identification something you have to follow the process, And now after you are done with that, you can now add any other thing to it. You can add your photo here, you can hide your profile. So you can hide your profile and then uh and then this is your ID, and then and then at the end of everything you will receive all this notification. So where we have issue is the aspect of identity. So follow the process, and if you have need any assistance, I will always be there to tell you what the next step to take. Do you get it now? So that is about that. Okay, so that is how to do your verification. So in the next video we shall be looking at we shall be moving to the talking about how to fund your wallet, that will be the next thing we shall be looking into in the next video. So thank you for watching. So if you have any question regarding the verification, let me know, but I believe that you will get it easily done, because you will be doing most of your own verification setup on mobile, which will make it more faster and easier. But just make sure that all the necessary documents or data that is needed is available, and where it is, so it's available, and then you get it done. So that's just it. So your ID card be ready, snap it and let it be on your phone. Your anything you want to do, just let it be available there. And then the selfie one, you use your phone to take a selfie of yourself and you move further. So thank you. In the next video we are looking at how to fund your account. Thank you.